Today we will discuss fastidious organism, specifically fastidious bacteria. So, why do we call these organisms or the bacteria as fastidious? Because they require complex nutritional media and need specific growth conditions like such as enriched media. They don't grow on the simple nutrient agar. They require the enriched media for their growth and requires the special conditions. So, examples of the fastidious bacteria. First one is the Haemophilus influenza required the factor 10 heme and the factor 5 NAD for its growth. Neisseria gonorrhea grows on chocolate agar and requires carbon dioxide. So these are basically the special conditions for the Neisseria. Legionella pneumophila require L-cysteine and iron for its growth. Bordetella pertussis, bordered Django or Regan low agars. Brucella species require enriched blood agar and carbon dioxide. Francisella tularensis requires cysteine enriched media. So these are the important fastidious bacteria and their conditions. So we can remember it with the mnemonic that is help nobody likes boring bacterial facts. Help Nobody likes boring bacterial facts. H for Haemophilus influenza, N for Neisseria gonorrhea, L for Legionella pneumophila, B for Bordetella pertussis, B for Brucella, and F for Francisella tularensis. So this is the mnemonic for remembering the fastidious bacteria. So this is all about the fastidious bacteria. If you still have any question, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.